Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the uniq command. It's a command that's very useful when you want to reduce or summarize information. Let's say we want to see who's logged in on one of our servers. So we might use a command like this, who, and then we're going to sort it. We're going to pass that to uniq. Well, this command isn't really going to work very well. Uniq isn't adding any value here because every line that comes out of the who command is going to be different. So instead, let's do something very similar to that and just reduce the output by passing that to awk. So we're only going to look at the first column of data like this, and then pass that. Now we can see there are two unique people logged in. So we asked who, we got the output, we reduced that to the first column, we sorted, and then we sent that to uniq. Notice that the sorting is still very important because uniq will only count as identical lines that are both the same and in succession. Without the sort, we might get something like this. Let's just take out the sort and see what it looks like. And there we see we have SHS showing up twice because of the order of the output from who. Now let's add uniq's -c for counting option to get a by user count of those logins. So I'll go back to this one and just add -c there. And now I can see that one user is logged in once and one user is logged in twice. Well, that's your Linux tip for the uniq command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.